In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Xero. If you manage your organization's Xero account and need to bring a teammate on board, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to send a clean, permissioned invite so they can start working right away. You'll want to be signed in with a role that allows user management, typically a subscriber or an admin. Ready? Let's dive in. From your Xero dashboard, head to the very top of the page and click your name. This opens a quick menu that gives you access to your organization level options. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Xero keeps the controls for things like features, subscription details, and most importantly for today, user access. On the Settings page, select Users. You'll land on the Users list, where you can see everyone who already has access, their roles, and whether they've accepted their invites. This page is also where you can manage pending invites or remove access later if needed. To add someone new, click Invite a User. A simple form appears. Start by entering the person's first name, then their last name. Next, type their email address. Use their primary work email and take a second to confirm there are no typos. If the address is off by even a character, they won't get the invite. Keeping names accurate also helps you quickly recognize users in reports and audit logs. Now choose permissions. Xero groups access into a few key areas so you can tailor what the person can see and do. Projects lets users manage project tracking, time, and costs. Great for project managers or team leads who need visibility without full accounting access. Payroll admin is powerful and should be assigned carefully. It allows the user to process pay runs and view sensitive payroll information. Business and accounting covers day-to-day finance work, like bills, invoices, bank reconciliation, and reporting. Within that area, you can fine-tune options to align with the person's responsibilities. A good rule of thumb is to grant only what's necessary for their role, and you can always expand access later. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Xero will email the person a secure link to join your organization. Their status will show as pending until they accept. If they don't see the message, ask them to check spam, then return to the users page to resend the invite if needed. You can also revoke an invite or adjust permissions at any time from the same screen. That's it. You've added a user in Xero with the right access from the start.